Hey, it's Shane at Lucy's Lounge once again with 105.1 The Blaze, and we're doing cocktails. Learning how to make cocktails is a great pastime. In a couple of minutes, you're going to learn how to be a rock star at your next party. This is a B&B Mule, and I forget what B&B stands for, but I'm sure Sarah is going to teach us how to do that. She's got all the ingredients lined up at the bar, and she's going to teach us how to make the B&B Mule right now.
Welcome back, everybody. It's me, Sarah Premavera, here at Lucy's Lounge, and we're going to do a little twist on a classic cocktail, the Moscow Mule. We call this one the B&B Mule, which is short for bergamot and blood orange. Those are really fun flavors to play with during the summer. So we're using the Square One bergamot vodka, and I always like to put a little more in mine. So we're going to do 2 ounces of vodka, and then we're going to do an ounce of blood orange syrup, and you can get this, I think, maybe even at Smart and Final, if not Bevmo, anywhere like that. We have the good ice, so this is really great for making Moscow Mules in the copper cups. I highly recommend Fever Tree ginger beer. It's my absolute favorite. It's got a nice kick to it. So this is really simple. It's a 3 ingredients, bright summertime cocktail, great for sipping by the pool. You're going to give it a little stir. It has a beautiful color. You're going to garnish this with a little fresh mint. And if you take the mint and kind of just put a little bunch in your hand and you smack it really quick, it expresses that aromatics from the mint. Set that in there. And if you want to get real fancy, you can dehydrate some blood orange wheels. And there you have it, really simple, 3 ingredients, the B&B Mule. But again, if you don't want to make it, you can come see me at Lucy's and we'll do it for you. Cheers.